B&B on the track.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, well, firstly, I'm actually making a video. It's been about 4, maybe 5 weeks since I've made a video. I'm getting into a really bad routine where I'll upload one video, then not record or do anything for 4 weeks. So I need to get back into the routine and be more consistent. But today we are going to be replacing my rear Audi badges. Firstly, the actual RS3 badge. And secondly, the Audi rings themselves. So once again, my apologies for being inconsistent. I'll try and improve. I need this channel to grow, and obviously not uploading is not going to help that. Right, so moving on to why I'm actually replacing my RS3 badge. Here's the current state of my current badge. So for starters, it's not gloss black. The actual digits themselves is smaller than they're meant to be. So whoever upgraded these and made them black, rather than the stock standard, replaced them with some weird satin or matte black badges that look crap. And annoyingly, where they've taken off the original ones, it's slightly peeled off a tiny bit of paint, but that should be covered with the new badges anyway. Then moving on to the actual Audi rings themselves. As you can see, it's on the wonk. I'm not sure if it'll pick it up on camera very well, but the distance here, this side, is bigger than this side. Not only that, but some of the actual adhesive has come off, so it's a bit loose, and it just needs to freshen up. As you can tell, the car's filthy anyway, so I'm gonna give it a good clean and then get this badge taken off and replaced. So I'll see you once she's clean. And there you have it. She is absolutely gleaming, boy. Oh, it's almost been 4 hours later. Finally the sun is out there, which is a good thing. But yeah, much better. Ooh, what's that on my lens? Don't know. Right, anyway, car's done. So, badges are gone. Where the I'm being stupid. Voila. Badge time. So for these, I did the same on my BMW. I'm gonna get some dental floss and quite literally melt off the adhesive by doing like a side-to-side motion, and it pulls the badges off very nicely. I'll touch up any little bits of paint that has peeled off from where they've obviously taken the old ones off and replaced them. However, this should go over that anyway, but I've got some Suzuka grey touch-up pen to do the job if not. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is literally mask off, or not mask off, but mark up where the current badge is so I know where to put it again. However, the new badges are bigger, so I might have to do some rearranging. Now I'm going to grab my dental floss, kind of double it up. Like I said a minute ago, it's going to kind of help melt the adhesive and kind of get behind it a little bit. I'm hoping there's not too much paint damage underneath. Brilliant. Right, okay, this might be more annoying than I thought. fact that you can still see where the letters were behind is really annoying. I'm going to see if I can somehow sort that out at some point, but for now, I'm just going to go with it, put the badges on. Yeah.
Depo on the beat.
So we started filming again, guys. It's now the following day. By the time I'd eaten last night, I got way too dark to carry on. It's getting pretty dark pretty early now, so it's really windy, hence why I didn't do any speaking there. But as you can see, the new badges are so much better, a better size, gloss black, and I'm just so much happy with it. I've got to do a little bit of touching work behind it, which is a bit annoying, but it is what it is. Luckily, the badges pretty much cover it all anyway. So now I'm going to go out there and take off the Audi rings and stick the new one on, wherever they are. Might not do a lot of talking while I'm at it because it's so windy, so bear with me. gone back inside so you can actually hear me speaking, but I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's so much better. It actually looks more presentable. The badge was really pissing me off. You probably didn't notice it, but I know all the little bits that need addressing. Obviously the badge now is straight. It looks more fresh. The RS3 badge itself is more present on the car. It looks better. It looks in place basically, so I'm really happy with how it turned out. Just an easy video for this weekend, but I'm glad I made one anyway. I'm gonna wrap the video up there, guys, so I will see you next time. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon. Peace.